Oh, this is my guy, my buddy. What? Where's your buddy? Where's the guy with the, who's the big tall, the Polish, my guy. Remember me? You don't see him? This is my guy. This is the only guy I like. Did you see yourself on YouTube there? Yeah. Hey, I did see you though. You were nothing. That's not a crime.
Hey, make it easy. Just step out the car.
I didn't do anything.
Everything's on camera, brother. If you got nothing to hide, you got nothing.
You were all being recorded, man.
So what's going on in this video, for those who have not seen it, I was pulled over by two narcotics officers, the female and the male, that are in plain clothes. That was pulled over. It's called a pretextual stop. I was pulled over on the pretext of not wearing my seatbelt. But they're narcotics officers on the west side of the Chicago. The west side of Chicago has more open-air drug markets than anywhere else in the nation. I was pulled over because I was white in a black neighborhood, and I was in my older model work car. So they saw a white guy in a black neighborhood, and they pulled me over. Then, when they pulled me over, I got my phone out of my pocket. They used that to say I threw something underneath the seat, and they believe it's a weapon. So however your head moves from the vantage point of somebody behind you in a car, they turned that into what they saw was me throwing a gun underneath the seat, right? Because they didn't pull me over for my seatbelt in the first place. They wanted to get in my car. Now, I go into great detail about this. I've done tons of videos about this. Those will be in the description. So if you want to learn about that or see about that, it'll be in the description.
Step back over there.
That's fine. I just want to let you know.
You're just being detained.
I'm patting you down, make sure there's no weapons. It's a pat down.
Why is she searching my car? Why is she? I did not give her permission to search my car.
Just relax.
All right, San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Today I get the honor to bring you guys an awesome channel that I just found. He actually just reached out to me, and so here I am. I went through his channel and I've been binge watching all day. So if I didn't answer some of your phone calls today, that's probably because I was really stuck on this guy's channel. I'm that excited about it, guys, so I know you're going to want to subscribe to this guy. He's very brave. He's very well spoken when he's talking about regarding law. He highlights the good officers as well as the bad, which to me is important for transparency. He also does follow-ups. I mean...
What'd you lean over and put under the seat when I pulled you over? Huh?
I don't answer questions, man.
That you're about to see has been making the rounds. I'm not going to say that it's gone viral, but there's some inaccuracies that I want to clarify. And again...
Hey, I did see you though. You were making a motion to him to look at my back seat. You saw that tackle box. What did you think that was? What did you think that was? You were playing friendly, but yeah, it was a tack box. But I appreciate you were a gentleman that day, and so I want to give credit to the good officers. You were a good officer, juristic. That's it. So you were a good officer. I do appreciate that, even though you tried to get me hemmed up there. What's going on over here, though, guys?
Just a little assault, that's all it was.
A little assault. Hey, any assault's a big assault. We don't need to be assaulted. Juristic, you are a good man. Alvarado. Follow Juristic's lead, but you're okay too. You're okay in my book. Okay. Good job, guys. Put your seatbelt on. You don't got your seatbelt on. My man, you don't got your seatbelt on. You're driving without your seatbelt on. Huh? Click it or ticket. You didn't have your seatbelt on.
Yeah,
Alright.
What's your name there, Simmons?
Simmons 19757.
19757. Yeah, we all got to move cars, Simmons, but when we do it safely. Put your seatbelt on next time, okay? Thank you. Here we are, reporting live from Grand and that was Jursic. That's my buddy Jursic.